Yo, what's cracking peeps? It's your boy Mike Squid signing on, and today I am heading off to another waterfall. It's like what, 11:15, and I'm at this. I don't know the name. I fully don't know the name, but I think it's called Tibumana, something like that. I'm going to one of these waterfalls, man, in Bali. So yeah, let's take a look. Let's explore. You already know I got the glasses on today, no contact lenses, so you know, got that HD vision. So let's go see what this waterfall is about. Hopefully there isn't too many people, because the last waterfall that I went to, there was quite a lot of people. You know what I'm saying? And I guess it loses its essence a bit when it's overcrowded, you know. But yeah, let's head off, and I'll see you guys when I touch down in a bit.